Hey friends, today we are going to study important topic of real numbers named Euclid's division lemma. In this lemma, we study for any two positive integers a and b, two whole numbers q and r defined as a equals to b into q plus r. Here a condition is r is less than and equal to 0 and less than to b. This is the most important condition of Euclid's division lemma. Here a is a dividend, b is equals to divisor, and r is equals to remainder, and q is equals to quotient. Now we will understand Euclid's division algorithm. It is the method to find HCF of two positive integers. In this, let integer c divides many integers x1, x2, x3 and so on. Then integer c is considered as common divisor of all these integers. Two or more than two integers can have a common divisor. Its largest divisor is called its HCF or greatest common divisor. HCF means highest common factor. If we have r is equals to 0, then HCF of a and b is b. Now we will find the HCF of 135 and 225 by using Euclid's algorithm. So we have dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It means a is equals to b into q plus r. Here we know 135 is less than 225. So we'll divide 225 by 135 until we have remainder 0. So 135 we have remainder 90. So we'll again divide 135 by 90. By this we have remainder 45. We'll divide 90 by 45. Now we have remainder 0. So in first step we have step first. We have 225 is equals to 135 into 1 plus 90. And in second step we have 135 is equals to 90 into 1 plus 45. In third step we have 90 is equals to 45 into 2 plus 0. Now we have remainder 0. Then the highest common factor is the last divisor. So the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Here's the answer.